The GoPro Hero 10 shoots some really great footage, but there are 3 reasons why you might want to also consider getting a polarizer. But if you don't know what a polarizer is, basically they cut out reflected light. So this is one that I got from Sandmarc, and it's really easy to put on. All you have to do is just push it onto the front of the filter of the Hero 10 or the Hero 9, and then just twist the front dial just to dial in the intensity of the polarization. So the benefit of using a polarizer that you can twist the front element is so that you can actually dial in that intensity, whereas you can get polarizers where you can just affix them, there's no dial or anything like that, so you're basically working with the intensity that the polarizer has. And Freewell actually have some polarizing filters for the Hero 10 as well. So with that out of the way, this is why you might want to use a polarizer. I've got 3 reasons. So the first one is basically to reduce surface glare. So when you shoot outdoors with your Hero 10 or your Hero 9, you're in an urban environment or anywhere where there's lots of glass, then if you use a polarizer, you can basically cut out the reflections on the glass, which is really handy if you don't want to have that harsh reflection. And the second reason is that it makes the footage look a little bit richer in contrast and colours. So if you're shooting landscapes or environments that have loads of foliage, trees, it's going to make the environment really pop, especially a blue sky. So the third reason is that it helps to reduce reflections on bodies of water. So things like lakes, rivers, that kind of thing. If you want to shoot and not have reflections from trees or clouds from the sky, which can make the water look white, then using a circular polarizer is going to be great for that as well. So which type of polarizer you get really depends on if you're happy to just stick a polarizer on and let it do the job for you, or if you want to have a polarizer where you can actually dial in the intensity of the polarization. So I've dropped a link in the description to both filters, and you can go and check them out, see which one might be more useful to you. And if you found the video useful, do give it a like, and thanks for watching. See you next time.